I bought these items on Amazon so that you don't have to. Let's get to it. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Time FK7, and today we're going to be taking a look at some Amazon items that I found on Amazon for your 10th Gen Civic. Let's go. So the first item that I want to show you guys is this little keychain thingy that I got. So this not only looks nice, but it also doubles as a bottle opener. So if you like drinking beer or whatever, this part right here serves as a bottle opener, and you get this little clip thingy right here. It's made of high quality material and it looks really sturdy. It looks and feels really sturdy. And then the best part is you actually get two. So I got a 2-pack for both of my keys. And then as you can see, I have a little key fob for my car. Now I also have a key fob for the Sport, so if you have that remote start, they also offer that extra button. And now obviously with this car it does not have remote start, so this key fob doesn't have the remote start button. So the only downsides to these items is for the fob you get this exposed H logo area, so all the lint and dirt or whatever can get stuck in between, causing the H logo to get scratched, but that's not a big deal. And then for this one, it is a little too big, and then I suggest when installing this on your key fob, you install it on the smaller key ring, because if you install it on the bigger one, this bigger one is too thick, so it's gonna get stuck. It's gonna get stuck like that. So install it on the smaller one so that you'll have free access to that. Anyways, let's move on to the next item. Hi bar!
Go ahead.
So the next item that's on my Amazon product list is this door sill protector things. Now I got this car 2 months ago and I'm already seeing some scratches, especially on the driver's side, because you know this is the part where you go in and out of the car. So I have scratches down here, and a best way to protect it is to install these little sticker things, just like I did on the Sport. Not only does it improve the car's looks, but it also protects the paint. So this is what it looks like. It has like a little Type R logo, and it's like it has like a carbon fiber like material. Woo! Now every time I go in and out of the car, this sticker is going to be there, and it has the little Type R logo so that you'll know which car you're driving. But in all honesty, this looks nice on the car, in my opinion, and this is going to be one of the must-haves that you should get for your car, because obviously you're going in and out and you don't want to have scratches on your door sill. So this is a good way to protect your paint or to protect your car. There you go, that's item number 2. Moving on to the next item. Another product I want to mention is one of the must-haves. It's a screen protector for your smart infotainment system, because we all know it's a soft touch panel and it easily gets scratched. It's a screen protector and it prevents it from getting scratched, obviously. So, must-have. 10 out of 10. So another important thing that I got from Amazon are these little mats. Now these are designed to fit inside your cup holders and all your little nooks and crannies of the car to protect the plastic from your drinks or from getting scratched. So this is what it looks like. It comes in pieces like this, and this basically goes everywhere. This is designed for the Type R, but I also installed one on the Sport, and to this day it's holding up pretty well. It does look a bit tacky on the Sport because of the red little outlines, so I got like this carbon fiber design on the Type R, which I think looks really cool. Okay, so the final product that's on my Amazon items is this wireless charging pad for your car. Now this is specifically designed to fit your little cubby area, so it's supposed to be a perfect fit. And like, this is basically just a wireless charging pad for your smartphone, and it supports fast wireless charging because it uses Qualcomm's 3.0, which is like their fast charging technology. So it's able to charge your devices from 5 watts up to 10 watts. So if your device supports 10 watt wireless charging, then your device would charge up quick because that's fast wireless charging. Anyways, this is what it looks like. So when you open the box, this is what you'll get. It's just like this thin plastic plate. Well, it's not really that thin, but you get just this one button, which is to turn it on and off. And it looks nice too. And this is where obviously you're gonna place your phone. This is gonna be perfect since I do have wireless Apple CarPlay. This is from AutoCast, by the way. So if you are looking for a wireless CarPlay adapter, this is the product to get. I'll also be linking it down below. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna hide this. Since this is already wireless, I'm gonna hide the wireless charger or the wireless Apple CarPlay down here, because you do have a secondary cubby. So I'm just gonna plug it in right here in the bottom, and I'm gonna leave it here. That way I'll have room for my wireless charger. By the way, this does feel kind of cheap, so I guess that's one of the downsides to this device. And then this, already it's collecting a lot of dust. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is already dusty. It sits nice and flush, and there's like no loose or any gaps. So it looks really nice. So this right here is an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'm gonna put this in accessory mode. And then you're simply just gonna put it on top like that. And now it's charging. So this button right here is obviously to turn on and off the device. So if I were to press it, then that light would disappear. And then if you want to turn it back on, there you go, boom. Not only do I have wireless Apple CarPlay on the car, but I also have wireless charging as well. So just get in your car, throw this in the wireless charging pad, and it works with Apple and Android, or basically any device that supports wireless charging. Done.
I like that.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice, yeah. Looks nice when you put it in. Wow.
It's like it's not even there.
Yeah, it looks nice. It doesn't really look cheap. It does feel cheap.
It feels cheap.
It doesn't look cheap.
It feels cheap, but doesn't look cheap. Yeah. 10 out of 10. This is definitely a must get. Yes, it feels cheap, but it looks nice in the car. It sits flush in your cubby, and like this is also gonna be on my must-haves list. So if you own a Civic and you have this cubby, go get a wireless charging pad for your phone, because it's really convenient. If you don't like the charging pad, another device I recommend is Lasit's wireless charging phone mount, which I made a video review of. So another item that I want to talk about is actually this t-shirt that I got from Amazon. Now I don't remember the price, but I'll list it down below. But it's a nice shirt. So if you're a Type R owner and you want to have apparel to represent your Type R, this is the shirt to get. Now for the Sport or any other models out there, I'm still trying to find one. The quality is nice, I guess. I mean, I don't know how to review clothes, but yeah, it's a nice shirt. I mean, it feels nice. And now it's time for subscriber builds, where I show off your builds on my channel. And today's first build is... First up, we have a build from QWERTY JJSM22. He says, "Hey Chris, really love your car channel and how you achieve your dream car. Also, congratulations on reaching the 10K subscribers. By the way, here's my 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport." And then our last build is from Kevin Aquilizola, who left no message, but here's his build. If you want your build to be featured on the channel, send me an email at christimefk7@gmail.com so that your build can be featured on one of my videos. Back to the video. Anyways guys, I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you have any more Amazon items that you want to share and for me to try out. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, because I do make videos twice a week, Wednesdays and Sundays. And if you're in the market for LED lightings or floor mat or even car accessories, be sure to check out Lasit's website, because they do offer really great products. I myself have installed them on the Type R and on my Sport, and I have yet to find a crappy product from them. So be sure to use my code CTFK7 for that 10% off. And starting October 25th to the 31st, get 15% off everything by using code CTHH15. Again, that's code CTHH15. Thank you guys for watching. This is Time FK7, and peace out.